Hey folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we found a car which is 2019 Geely Inbred GL to add a new key for this car. Now we will use Lonsdor K518 Pro OBD communication cable, an original car key and a new smart key to be programmed.
First, we plug in OBD, select Demo and Remote. Find Geely, Emgrand. Because this model has a 1 point for T, so we choose GL 1 point for T, PEPS. Select Program Key. Click OK to proceed with key programming. Select the third group of ESC code. OK. Do not delete the original key. Click Cancel. Select to program one key. Click OK. Place the key to be programmed in the induction area. OK. Take the other keys out of the car more than 2 meters away. Click OK after completion. Programming completed. OK. Successfully added a smart key. Now, let's try it. If the key can start the car normally. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key starts the car successfully. Original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original key starts the car successfully. Let's test if the remote control is normal. New key unlock. Lock. Original key unlocks. Lock. The remote control is normal.
We have programmed a new smart key for this car. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.